Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Today I am excited to share a gorgeous palazzo design with you. So let's begin. The design is absolutely beautiful and it will make your palazzo making ideas even more wonderful. I have cut a piece of fabric for the palazzo to give you an idea of the size I will be using. I have also added some pasting paper to the fabric. Now we will create the pintucks one by one just like this. Look, all the pintucks are ready and thanks to the pasting paper they have come out perfectly. Next I am taking another long piece of fabric. I am folding and stitching both sides, creating a long ribbon that will be slightly wider. I am now cutting the ribbon into pieces about 2 inches long. I will make sure all the pieces are the same size. I am going to attach these cut ribbon pieces to the paper like this. First, I will attach one side. Then I will attach the upper side in the same way. Using a hand needle, I will stitch along the middle of the ribbon. I will repeat this process for all the flowers. Look how beautiful it looks. If you would like, you can also add pearls. I have added white pearls to make it even more gorgeous. Now I have all the flower parts ready for the placket. I will attach them one by one to the main fabric of the placket. First, I will attach the design that's on the paper to the placket fabric. I will sew the design upside down and then top stitch it straight. It looks so beautiful like this, and if you like, you can create a similar placket design. Next, I will attach the pintucks part upside down and top stitch it straight as well. This is how I attach all the parts to the placket. I will remove any extra part that is no longer needed. Finally, I will sew both sides of the placket. Now it how beautifully it's come together. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our page for more unique design. Thank you so much for being with us. Allah Hafiz.